filling out.
All right, I had to do a little bit of an intro there, guys. I'm a little pumped up. The storm right now, you can see it's developing now just to our southwest over this frontal boundary that is draping. That will press as the night goes on. I hate to do it, but I had to make a few changes. This is my updated snowfall forecast. I had to actually change the 3 to 6 to 4 to 8, especially in north central New Jersey, absolutely. And up here, just north of the shore of Rhode Island, Massachusetts, central Connecticut south, 4 to 8, I have you in there. And this is supported by a trend in the models last second that went north. So this storm has driven me crazy. I really didn't want to have to update this, but again, since so many people are checking in, I really appreciate the followers, guys. I have to keep you guys ahead of this storm. 6 to 12 down here. This is because there's going to be more precipitation. Yes, some of this starts as rain, but again, I see no reason to change that. I don't think we're going to get 12-inch amounts up here. Who knows? I could be wrong. But in any event, a state emergency has been declared, and this is a moderate to significant snowstorm for spots, so not to be taken lightly, and we might have ourselves a little grand finale to winter. So I showed you the impressive radar, and this is all going to come right into the region tonight, and the water vapor satellite. You can see this originates from the Baja, just off the west coast of Mexico. Look at this train of moisture. Very, very impressive. Very strong southern jet stream, and that's really going to enhance the precipitation amounts as we get into tonight. Let's look at the simulated radar so you know when timing is, okay? So by the time we get to, say, 1 o'clock in the morning, snow should start to break out in New Jersey and in eastern Pennsylvania, and snow will start to break out up in Massachusetts and Connecticut. By the time we get to 4 o'clock in the morning, watch this snow line, it rapidly starts to crash south. So what's going to happen is the morning commute, it's going to be a disaster, which is why there's that state of emergency. By the time we get to 7 in the morning, you can see it's snowing in all areas except for down here. But again, like I said, it's going to linger, rain a little longer down there. But in here, you're getting very heavy snow at this hour. By the time we get to 10 o'clock in the morning, it's still snowing. By the time we get to 1 o'clock, it's still snowing. And then the storm starts to taper off in North Jersey and up here early afternoon, but it lingers down here, and that's where I really expect those enhanced totals to come in, which is why I have that 6 to 12-inch band. But boy, if I showed you the GFS model this morning, for an example, okay, guys, had this storm. I'm going to show it to you because it just shows you this. Okay, so this morning, GFS model, let's take a look at this real quick, okay? It has a storm completely south. Look at the latest run. Look how much further north that shifted. It's about a 50-mile shift that has drastic implications on the snowfall totals, and you can see how difficult it's been. I'm not making excuses, but I'm just showing you how difficult it's really been to make that forecast. See that shift from there to here? So again, I'm trying to ingest all the data. I like what I have. I'm sticking with it. I had to make the modification, but I want to ride this now. It's not going to change, I promise you. Again, enjoy the snow, guys. You're going to get a lot of updates from me. Like I said, I appreciate everybody following. And by this time tomorrow, there should be several inches of snow on the ground for everybody.